If you are having trouble receiving the 6-digit authentication code in Roblox, well, this video could be a lifesaver for you. In this video, I will show you how you can get the 2-step verification code for Roblox. So, let's get started. Fix 1. Use another verification method. If you are not receiving the code after several attempts, don't do it for too many times, because this might block your account for a while. Tap on Use Another Verification Method and then select Email. If you didn't receive the email code through email, then try the next method. Fix 2. Contact Roblox support. Trust me, this will work for real. Open a browser on your phone, type Roblox support and hit search. After that, tap on the login button. Type your email or in-game username, and after that, type the password. Tap on login. Next, a new page with several blank bars will open up. Here, type your email again. Confirm your email address. In the next drop-down menu, select Android phone. From type of help category, select technical support. In the next menu, select specific experience issue. In the description box, write the issue in your way. For example, write, "I'm not able to receive the 2-factor authentication code via email or phone number. Please try to fix this issue as early as possible," and tap Submit. Roblox will reach out to you with a solution within 24 hours. Roblox will respond with an email containing the detailed information. That's how you can get back your Roblox account. Let us know in the comment box if this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.